Welcome to part 2 on making a slime. This time we're actually going to make it. So first I need to add glue. I got glue glow in the dark. I already had clear slime, but I'm going to show you at the end of the video, or in a different part of the slime that I made with 2 bottles of clear slime. I might use both of these and mix the colors, which I don't care if I do, or I'm just going to use 1 bottle. This one I use some of it, so it's not a whole container, but this one is. But first, I need to add glue, but I'm just gonna use the one that is already open that I used before. So I'm just gonna put probably the rest of the container. Sometimes it gets hard to squeeze out, but I'm gonna do it off camera because it might waste time, which it kind of is. Or is it just less than I thought that was in this container? It's all stuck on the sides. But that's not working. No more is really coming out. I would add more if I could, but that's all that was in the left. And the rest, I could probably squeeze out more a different day so I can make a little bit more slime, just like a little bit. But I'm definitely going to be mixing colors with blue and yellow. Do blue and yellow make green? I'm pretty sure they do. If I get a green slime, I guess I don't care. Because it's glow in the dark, it'll turn bright green. So I guess it'll already be green anyways. Or it might not turn green, even though that should be what it is. Just it's glue. Might not actually turn green. It's coming out so much easier because this is a new one. I love this shade of yellow. It's actually not that yellow mustardy or I actually really like it. It's pretty. I'm going to show y'all, but I need to flip the camera. So that's the pretty color I'm talking about. It's a little bit more bright in real life, but it's not too bright. It's kind of light. I'm going to get the rest out off camera. Shake it off! Shake it off! I know that I already used some of the blue, but there's kind of a lot more of the yellow glow-in-the-dark one, so I think there might still be some stuck in that container. I'm going to try to get it all out off camera. Never mind, I guess there was nothing left. So now, I'm going to add shaving cream. Shake it off. Shake it off. We're probably going to do a part 3. Anyways, get that in there. Sometimes it gets a little hard, so I'm going to put the rest in off camera. I didn't put too much, but I want it to be fluffy, so this is how much I put.